Hi! Good morning, good morning, good morning, kids! Once again, this is Teacher Lee and welcome to our English online class. So today, we're going to learn your favorite pets. What are your favorite pets? What are your favorite pets? We're going to learn 5 vocabulary words today. Are you ready? If you are ready, then let's get started. Everybody say, my pets. My pets. M-Y, my. P-E-T-S, pets. My pets. Okay, what do we call this one? What do we call this? This is a cat. This is a cat. Everybody say cat. Cat. C-A-T. Cat. Cat. I like cat. I like cat. Very good. Okay, next one. What do we call this one? What pets is this? This is a dog. 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 This is a dog. D-O-G. Dog. Dog. I like dog. I like dog. Very good. Okay, next one. How about this one? What is this? What pet is this? This is a fish. 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 F-I-S-H. Fish. Fish. I like fish. I like fish. Okay, next one. How about this one? What is this? This is a rabbit. 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 R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. Rabbit. I like rabbit. Alright. Next one. How about this one? This is a bird. 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 B-I-R-D. Bird. I like bird. Very good. I like bird. Okay, let's read again one more time. Cat. 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 Next one. Dog. 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 Fish. 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 Very good. Next one. Rabbit. 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 And the last one. Bird. Bird. One more time. Cat. Cat. Dog. Dog. Fish. Fish. Rabbit. Rabbit. Bird. Bird. Let's read the sentences. All together, repeat after teacher. I like cat. I like cat. Very good. Next one. I like dog. I like dog. Excellent. Okay, next one. I like fish. I like fish. Next. I like rabbit. I like rabbit. And the last one. I like bird. I like bird. Thank you, kids, and see you again next time. Goodbye.